Bonjour! So today I thought I would try and make a test with a video. So this is not live, but I'm not very good at doing live stream either, not yet. But today I thought I would introduce you to some interesting and very convenient Japanese food that we have here, and I think you could buy when you come to Japan and then maybe bring back home and give to your friends and even enjoy yourselves, because these are so convenient. All you need is to buy those packs with all the ingredients inside. I will tell you what's in there later. And rice. If you have a rice cooker, I think it's better, because those I will try and think how maybe you could cook those with without a rice cooker. But today I will show you how to cook it with a rice cooker. So first, what do I have here? I work in the food and wine business, and I am a food producer, and sometimes makers, they give me stuff to try, so I can give them my opinion on it, because I'm a food critic too. And I have this maker who gave me those pouches with the ingredients inside, so I can try and mix it with rice. And we have three types today. We have the kakuni, the buta kakuni, which is pork cut in small pieces and with some vegetables. So unfortunately you cannot really see how it is, but I think this is what I'm going to cook today, so I will show it here. I will show it to you later. So pork with vegetables. This one is a ginnan and 5 types of mushrooms. Ginnan is the fruit of the ginkgo tree, and I love ginnan. It's it's small and green, and I love the texture. Maybe next time I will cook this one. And here we have 3 types of beans. Mamine, 3種類の豆、3種類, 3 types of mame beans. Can you see it? Voila. But today, I think I'd like to try the kakuni, the buta kakuni, the pork. So I'm going to open it. What I did is that, okay, it says that you should prepare 2 cups of rice. So what I did is I put my 2 cups of rice in the bowl of my rice cooker, and I washed carefully the rice. So here I have, it's drying already. I have my 2 cups of cleaned, washed rice. I did not practice this, so this is kind of live, improvisation. And what I need is, for later to open this bag. So I'm going to put the same amount of water into my rice. Alors attends. Voilà. Hold on a second. So this is water, mineral water, that I put into bottles. It is said that it's better not to keep water into the plastic bottles, so I always put it in bins. No, not bins. How do you say it? In glass bottles. Oh my, this is going to be a good practice for my English. So I put. Where are you? Come back to me. I put the same amount of water, as rice. Now I'm going to add my buta kakuni. Let's open it. It smells like a little bit, maybe, I'm not sure. No, it's not miso, but it smells a little bit sweet. So what I will do is I will tell you how it was, not on a video, but on my Instagram. And I will put pictures of it when it's ready, okay? Because we would have to wait for about 40 minutes that it cooks, so I'm not going to talk to you for 40 minutes. You would get bored. So I put the picture of it when it's ready on my Instagram. And let me show you. We need a spoon. Let me show you how it looks. Here. Attends. Oh. We can see all the kakuni. The pork, it's been soaked in no, not soaked, you know, it's been made in a sauce. Attends. Voilà. Maybe better. Voilà. And yeah, the white bits are I think are maybe it's the fat of the Charlie. Somebody smelled. Look at this, Charlie boy. Attends. No, I can't. Attends. I'm going to try. Look at this baby. Someone wants to eat the kakuni. Look at little Charlie boy. Okay, let's get back to our cooking. Okay, good angle. So I'm going to put this kakuni. I think the white bits, maybe it's some fat, and then we have some konnyaku. Voilà. So I put, no, the other way, voila. You just have to put the content of the poach inside the rice. Charlie, that looks good. Oh, oui, baby boy, oh, stretchy, stretchy. Attends, doko ni no? Stretchy, kawaii. Voilà, back to cooking. Attends, oh my. Voila. That smells really good. Like kakuni, difficult to explain. Maybe like a little bit like shoyu, and it has a sweet. Charlie says it smells good. And baby boy, petit chou, dame dayon. Voilà, my little helper. Petit boy, voilà. So this is not going very fast because, you know, I need to take care of my baby boy too. Huh? Voila, so you just put it with the rice. And then, this is the only thing we have to do, hein, Charlie boy? But, okay. So, ne? Same amount, hein, voilà, non, attends, Chigawa. I'm back. Same amount rice, same amount of water. Attends, ちょっと待ってください. Oh la la. The content of the poach, and then what I do is put just like one big spoon of sake, because many Japanese friends recommended when I first came to Japan, that was 20 years ago, they recommended I put just a little bit of sake because apparently it makes the whole thing better. I'm not sure why, I should check this out, but maybe next time. So just a little bit, voila, of sake. Daiginjo kana. This is nice stuff, huh? But you know that I drink more wine than sake, so I use it, when I don't finish it, I use it in my cooking. So now, easy, we just, the rice cooker will cook it for me. So put in the rice cooker. This is my first real video, so you know, I'm kind of, I'm all excited about doing this. And then it's all automatic, as you may know. Voila, let me show you my rice cooker. No, the other way. I wanted to put this down. Voila. So we have, you know, there is a menu, but I usually just use the plain one, which is here. Just going to cook it, and it's going to take 44 minutes. Voila. These are the very few people who have been following me and who found out about me thanks to John's page, Only in Japan page. You know that I am very bad at technology, so this is why maybe this video is not so good, but I promise I will improve. I think that the more I do it, the more I will get used to it, and John is probably going to show me some more tips. So seeing that I'm not good with technology, I think I'm not using half of the capacity of my rice cooker, but anyways, I can do plain rice and this kind of stuff with it, so maybe in future I will show you more Japanese recipes. But coming back to the main subject, I think that these pouches are really a good idea to make presents to friends because they're compact, small. It's all in there, and it really has a very, very Japanese taste. So I think your friends would be happy to enjoy those traditional Japanese recipes. So I'm going to end this now. Wow, 12 minutes already. I did it, my first video. And you'll see the results on Jennifer Julian Instagram. And I'm going to post this on my going to be active YouTube page from now on, because I actually have a YouTube page, but it's like it's been sleeping for so many years. So I'm going to try to make it active from now on. See you guys, bye bye, a bientôt.